Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we're back with another MunchPak. And we're really close to 100 subscribers. We're 2 away from 100 subscribers. It's gonna be a 100 subscriber party. We got a really special thing planned for you guys for 100 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe.
Alright, let's get straight into the MunchPak.
Woo. So our snacks are gonna be from
Argentina, Taiwan, Italy, and more. First snack.
It's in a different language.
Want golden rice cracker chicken flavor. Irresistibly crunchy rice crackers seasoned to perfection. These golden brown nuggets are packed with savory chicken flavor in a convenient snack package from Taiwan.
A snack package? It says want more. So that must be a company, want more.
Ooh.
Yeah, they smell kind of weird. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Eh. It doesn't taste like anything. Oh, there's a little spicy aftertaste.
Crunchy snack. It's pretty much just tastes like a ball of cracker. It doesn't really taste like chicken.
Okay. Our next snack is in another language.
Shimi Choco snack. Light, crispy, and chocolatey puff corn snack. They're like Cocoa Puffs intensified. Pair with a glass of milk or enjoy them in a cereal bowl from Japan. So it's like breakfast.
Okay. Let's try it. That smells good.
Yeah, I don't like Cocoa Puffs, so we'll see how this...
Whoa, they're big. They're star-shaped. Star-shaped!
Ooh, and they feel chewy. Maybe they're crunchy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. They got like a soft, chewy taste. I'm gonna have another one.
It tastes like Cocoa Puffs, which I'm not a big fan of, but they're pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
Fake chocolate taste. That's pretty much what it is.
Our next snack is Tornadoes Very Berry.
Licorice ropes with 6 berry flavors on every bite. From Spain's #1 candy maker, these tornadoes are more flavorful than your average licorice from Spain.
Yay! Okay, let's try these. They kind of look like candy canes, but they're like softer. Ooh. Yeah, they're kind of like bendy.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
This is good.
Tastes like Twizzler. Which is my favorite candy. So if you're thinking about sending us anything, Twizzlers, put them in there.
Ooh, I think the next one Landon's gonna like.
These brownies are moist, rich, and made with real Belgian chocolate chips. They're individually wrapped to help preserve freshness. Try one hot. You'll love it. From Spain. We're not going to try hot.
It's called Mr. Brownie.
Real soft.
I'm still chewing those tornadoes.
Doesn't smell very pleasing, but comes in 2 little brownie bites for us.
It's kind of like the same form as like a Reese's cup because it has like the thing around it. And it looks like a muffin. It's like a muffin, mini muffin, wrapped in a Reese's cups thing.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Ugh.
good. It's good. I like this. I like.
It's like almost like that.
I like
fake.
tastes like most chocolate chips at the beginning.
No, it doesn't. It tastes like raw brownie dough. is what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Maybe it's supposed to be like cookie dough, like raw cookie dough flavor. Rip Van Waffles, cookies and cream flavored. Rip Van Waffles, cookies and cream. Stroop waffles are made of a layer of syrup between 2 wafers and usually enjoyed over hot coffee or tea.
It's mostly like a chocolate cookies and cream waffle.
It's pretty much like an Oreo. From Canada. Interesting. Oh, we've had something like this before. Where it's like caramel. It's like the waffle.
I get to try first.
Oh, just break off a piece.
Oh wait, there's like caramel around it. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I don't really taste the
It doesn't taste like anything to me.
Just tastes like a cookie.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go over our favorites, least favorites, and weirdest. Now I'll go first this time. Favorite is gonna have to be the Berry Berry Tornadoes. Least favorite, what were these? The chicken flavored corn puffs or whatever. And my weirdest one was gonna have to be the, there wasn't really anything that weird in this video.
Okay, my favorite, I'm gonna go with the tornadoes, very thing too. And then my least favorite was probably that banana chocolate thing. And the weirdest was those chicken corn puffs.
But that's the end of our video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We had fun doing a little usual MunchPak. But you guys need to remember to stay tuned for that 100 subscriber video coming up. It's coming up soon, this weekend. We're going to be filming it, and you guys will see it next week.
2 more subscribers! 2!
Then we'll be at 100. We'll have a giant celebration. And you guys will stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, everything, all of the above. Do it. Bye. See you guys. Bye.